Meaning of dorp.
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 Dorp. Dorp is a term that originated in South Africa and is used to describe a small rural village or town. The word is derived from the Dutch language, which was spoken by early settlers in the region. Dorps are typically characterized by their small size, close-knit community, and agricultural economy. Many dorps have a central marketplace or square, where locals gather to buy and sell goods, socialize, and attend community events. While some dorps have experienced growth and development in recent years, many remain relatively isolated and economically disadvantaged.